Yeah, so Jace, what did we learn today in editing Jordan's YouTube videos?
Jordan sounds way better when you cut him 50 to 100 more times.
I do not talk that much.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Do I need to talk faster? I do not say that much. See, I have so many sniffles. Okay, so guys, look, nobody's perfect when you're watching this crap on social media. My last video I filmed, my nose was so bad, I sniffled 75 times in the video just to get through it. Because, Louisiana it gets pretty, our sinuses get bad. How many times did I sniffle, Jace, if you had to guess? What's the over-under on sniffles?
If I was a betting man, I'd say over 35.
Get to the pointer. I'm going to have to cut this video too.
Yeah.
He does sniffle.
35 sniffles. That's horrible. He widowy sniffles through the entire video.
He does it way too much.
Dude, it's not my fault. Sinuses. I have sinusitis.
Sinusitis.
So, fine. I'm going to cut sniffles.